But in order to help, they would pull me down. They would say, yes, we want to get out too. So come down here and help us. And it's difficult. So I had to get rid of, I had to create an entirely new thing. I had to move to a new city. I had to change up my environment. I had to be fully focused on one thing. I quit the job. I quit multi-level. I quit all these different things. And I fully focused on one thing, laser focused, and crushed it. And I got new association. I started getting new association. I started finding people online that were succeeding. I started finding examples that it could work for me. And that parlayed that from $300 a day, which is $10,000. Once I had my first $10,000 month, the very next month I made $20,000. I ended up making 6 figures in commissions from Google AdSense, 6 figures in commissions from Amazon, and 6 figures in commission from an SEO agency that I ran. Plus gifts. Clients love me. I mean, I had unlimited cookies from the Pacific Cookie Company in Santa Cruz. Good place. I mean, it was unlimited day olds, but I mean, I could go to the warehouse any day I wanted and all the day olds are mine because I did such a good job for them. I had clothing companies sending me clothing, like thousands of dollars in clothing just because I was making them. I had a clothing company. I'm like, why are you giving me $3,000 worth of gifts for Christmas? He goes, bro, you made us over $1 million in revenue. And I'm like, I need to do this for myself. And from there, I parlayed that into different opportunities and ended up having my first $100,000 month, and then ended up having my first $100,000 day, my first $1 million month, my first $1 million week, my first $1 million day, my first $10 million year. It's crazy what's possible.